In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce Binance with real-life examples and tips so you can sound natural. Whether you're discussing the cryptocurrency market or chatting with friends about investments, pronouncing Binance correctly is important to convey your knowledge and confidence on the subject. Let's begin by focusing on the correct pronunciation of Binance. The most widely accepted pronunciation is Binance. You can break it down phonetically as B-A-Nens. Notice that this version places stress on the second syllable, pronounced as Nance. To make this even simpler, you can think of it in syllables as Binance, where the first syllable sounds like B, similar to the A in about. Now, let's talk about some of the common mistakes that people often make when pronouncing Binance. It's not uncommon for English speakers to guess at the pronunciation and say Binance or Binance. While these versions may sound logical, they aren't typically used in the cryptocurrency community and are considered incorrect. So what do people usually say, and where do these mistakes come from? Well, as we explored earlier, the correct pronunciation that people tend to use is Binance. The key is that the I in Binance is short, similar to the A sound in about. This pronunciation aligns closely with the brand's own preferred pronunciation. But don't worry, you're not alone if you've been unsure about how to say it. Even the company itself has addressed the pronunciation issue. In fact, Binance ran a Square post where they asked, "How do you pronounce #Binance?" Choices included Binance or Binance. Similarly, a community poll from Leo Schwartz revealed that the majority of voters favored the pronunciation Binance, with the emphasis on the second syllable. In conclusion, if you want to improve your pronunciation, focus on the correct form, Binances. Remember to place the stress on the second syllable and use B as you begin the word. Practice saying it out loud a few times, and soon it will become second nature. As you continue to engage in discussions about cryptocurrencies or attend industry events, using the correct pronunciation will ensure you sound knowledgeable and polished. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to pronounce Binance correctly. I hope these tips help you sound more natural and confident the next time you mention this popular cryptocurrency exchange. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be pronouncing Binance like a pro.